Okay, here we are at this home. It's got the vinyl floors and these ceilings are a little higher than normal. We'll go to the right first. This is bedroom 1. It's a little small, but not bad. And closet. Then bathroom. There's no power on in here, so it's a little hard. Okay, so bathroom and bedroom 2. All the walls and flooring match. Out towards the kitchen. Okay. There we go. We need to we need to get a refrigerator and a washer and dryer here. And this is the back door, and then this is the master. Okay. And toilet, shower tub insert, closet. Okay, this is in excellent condition, with the exception of some, cleanup and a couple of little things to fix up. The cabinets are in great condition, and the, let me see what else. Oh, some of the fixtures are very dated looking, but other than that, this one's not bad. We'll be back in touch. Christine House, Century 21 Broadhurst, 609-339-0916. Thank you.